This is the MistAway Gen 3 Plus misting system. We're going to go over the operational features now, and it's got industry-leading features. One is the leak detection. Leak detection will stop the unit anytime it senses a leak. You'll get an indication right here on the indicator light, and it won't mist any further until this problem is resolved. The MistAway system agitation, the agitation system for MistAway allows you to agitate once daily, as well as agitate prior to every misting. Now you can set those times however you want, or you don't even have to use them if you don't want. But agitation is a great feature because it keeps the solution nice and consistent, mist after mist. Siphon protection is also included, and the siphon protection just prevents if there's a cut in the line for for solution to be leaking out of a cut. It's not as important for the Gen 3 Plus, but it's extremely important when you've got a 55-gallon drum as in the Gen 1.3. But it's included in the Gen 3 Plus, and it will prevent it if you do get a cut in the line. Now, siphon protection is different than leak protection. Siphon can happen when the system is on or off. So having siphon protection is important in that respect. But leak detection, if the system doesn't operate and you've got a leak, there's no big deal. But as soon as the system turns on, it'll pump out the leak. That's why leak detection is important. So there is a slight difference between those. Another great feature about the MistAway Gen 3 Plus is you've got what's called digital dosing. Just in here on the controller, you can pump up the ratio. The standard ratio is either 108, 110 to 1, and that's 1 part insecticide to maybe 110 parts of water or 108 parts of water. And if the mosquitoes are really tough, you might want to change that a little bit. If you're getting away with great mosquito control and the mosquitoes aren't so bad, maybe you want to dilute it higher, a higher dilution rate. But you don't have to wait for 55 gallons of solution to be used up before you change the mix ratio. On the Gen 3 Plus, you can do it anytime you wish. This can save you money. If you can get away with a weaker solution, it's great. Next is the Gen 3 Plus menu system.